Alright guys, so today I wanted to show you the power behind these Wiha bi-cut, super cut diagonal cutters. And I've got a 1/4 20 bolt and I'm going to cut it with these. Now right now we're in normal mode and you're not going to be able to cut this in normal mode. No matter how much force you put on it, you're not going to be able to cut it. But if we switch to power mode and then we attempt that same cut, we can pop right through here. So I just want to show you, this is a 1/4 20 regular bolt, and I'll show you the cut. As you can see, nice clean cut. So in power mode, these things are wicked. Now the only difference is it doesn't open as far. So see there, I put it back in regular mode, they open up a lot farther. So that's the only difference. I definitely like these, and I'm going to be putting them to use a lot today. So if y'all like these videos and you want these pliers, there'll be a link in the description where you can get them. And as always, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for all our future videos. And thanks for watching, and have a great day.